kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. You know, it's that time of the year, and today I'm gonna bake a fruit cake, black cake, rum cake, whatever you wanna call it. Yes. So these are all of my ingredients that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start off with my fruits. This is my blended fruit, guys. I have a video on my channel on how I blend my fruits. I'm gonna leave it in the description so you guys can go and check it out, okay? So it's basically raisin and cherry blend up in Jamaican white rum and red label wine. Yes, so this is at least just over 3.5 cups. Yeah, I also have 6 eggs. This is my flour right here at the back, and I'm using self-raising flour, and this is 4 cups of flour. I also have some cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon, some nutmeg, 1 teaspoon, and allspice, 1 teaspoon, 2 sticks of butter. I also have some almond essence right here at the back, and that's 1 teaspoon, and some rose water, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon of my salt, and soft brown sugar, and that's just over 1 cup, okay? And 1 teaspoon of my baking powder. Guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go and share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you can receive more amazing videos like these, okay? Thank you all, and stay tuned. Let I give you guys an up close look on my fruits, so it's nice and rich. Yeah. Nice and rich and thick. Guys, I'm gonna start off with my dry ingredients, and I'm gonna add all my spices. Guys, I love fruit cakes so much. I remember growing up in Jamaica, I used to have a neighbor named Lula. Rest in peace, Lula. She baked the best fruit cake, may I tell you. Our fruit cake sell off. It is so nice and so delicious. Them time I'm young enough, so I could bake. I'm gonna also add my salt. But I remember every Christmas, guys, she used to come over and come give away cake and was cereal. Our cake nice bad. So what you wanna do, you wanna mix it all in, make sure it is all blend, okay? Yeah, just like so. Guys, I don't like when my fruit cake raw, and just because you're gonna add a lot of egg to your fruit cake, so what you wanna do, you wanna add lime, okay? And what the lime does, it take away the rawness. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grate some of my lime, some of the zest. Yeah, just like so. No one wanna eat cake and it's raw. No. Then what I did, I cut it, and I'm gonna squeeze some of the juice in my egg, okay? Because I don't like when cake raw. No. I don't like that. So I squeeze 1 lime, okay? Yeah. Then I'm just gonna blend it all in. You want to make sure that it is all combined. Oops. So I just add my butter to my bowl. So now I'm gonna add my sugar, okay? So normally I would take a wooden spoon and mix it, but today I'm gonna use a hand mixer, okay? As I want it to do fast. Yeah. So I'm just gonna, you want to start off your hand mixer on low, okay? So this is what you want, guys. You want it to look nice and creamy and thick and smooth. You don't want to see no sugar, okay? Now I'm gonna add my egg, and you want to just take your time. So guys, it is all blend. So now I'm gonna add my fruits, okay?
At the kitchen, Jody is cooking.
So for this part, I'm gonna take my wooden spoon and mix it all in so everything will all combine, okay? Guys, it smells real good. You can smell the rum, the red label wine. May I tell you, smell good. So now I'm gonna add my flour mixture. You want to take your time.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
You just want to take your time and just mix it all in. So now guys, I'm gonna add my browning. And the browning is just gonna give it, you know, the darkness. You can add, try not to add too much because you don't want your cake to be too dark. Okay? So I add at least just over a quarter cup. Some people like them cake to look really dark, some like it light. I like mine a bit dark, but not too dark. Guys, it smells real good. I wish you could be in my kitchen. I'm gonna add some more browning. They look a bit, you know, look as dark as I would like it. Yeah, let's add a bit more. So guys, at the beginning I forgot to mention I'm gonna add some vanilla, okay? And I'm gonna add at least just over 1.5 tablespoons of my vanilla. Yeah, that's it. I'm also gonna add my almond essence and my rose water. And I'm gonna finish it off with some rum. And I'm gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of my rum. Cause that's what it called, rum. And if the mixture is too runny, you can also add, you know, a bit more flour, just to make it be a bit more thicker. So this is perfect. So this is done, guys, and ready to bake. Make sure that your oven is preheated and 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. So guys, this is my baking pan, and what I did, I add some baking paper at the bottom and I add some butter all around it, so the cake, you know, not stick. So that's why. And guys, this is a 10-inch. So now guys, I'm gonna add my mixture, okay?
These amazing delicious recipe from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
And guys, as you can see, the cake fit very well in my 10-inch. Yes. Yeah, you don't want to over full it, okay? That's fine. So guys, I'm just doing that just to avoid any air bubbles to get into my cake. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven and 150 to 170 degrees Celsius, okay? So guys, my cake is all finished, and guys, it's been in my oven for at least just over 1 hour. What you want to do, you want to make sure that you put a toothpick in the cake and just to see if it come out wet. If it come out wet, you have to put it back, but if it come out dry, that means that it's finished, right? So guys, my cake is all cool, and I allow it to cool for at least 4 hours. Yes. And as you can see around it, because it's almost Christmas, so I put some Christmas decoration all around it, and I'm telling you, it's looking so pretty. And what you can do, guys, when you just take out the cake, you can also add some of your Jamaican red label wine and rum, okay? You can spray it on there, or you can brush it. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You can also add your Jamaican red label wine and your rum to a liquor bowl and just get a brush or a spraying bottle and spray the cake, and that way it will keep nice and moist, okay? Yes. So guys, as you can see, I'm just adding some cherries all around my cake just to make it look nice and pretty. You know, it's all for presentation sake. Guys, I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It's looking super delicious. Don't forget, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Go and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. Don't forget also to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more amazing and delicious recipes like these.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it.
So now guys, I'm just gonna cut into my cake and show you guys how it look nice and moist. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Your families, your friends, everybody are gonna like a recipe. Guys, I'm telling you, it is so nice. My husband, my family, they love my cake so much, and I hope you guys do give it a try, because I'm telling you, you all are gonna enjoy it. As you can see, it cut nicely, nice and smooth and so moist. So this is all on the inside of my cake look, and honestly, it looks so good. Super nice. I'm so loving the texture. Guys, honestly, you have to try this recipe. All your family are going to enjoy it. I mean, just take a good look. Oh my gosh, may I tell you, the taste is just everything. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, much love and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you all. Love you guys.